So you went for a walk. What happened to you? Nothing. How about me? Ooh. When it's foggy, my hair gets snowy. It's foggy, right, Garci? It's foggy outside. Yeah, it is. Did you like your walk for today? Yeah, you sneaky boy. Don't sneak out that gate. You're giving me a heart attack. Don't sneak out that gate. Oh, don't shush me when I'm talking. Don't sneak out that gate. Did you understand me? Did you understand me? Never ever do that again. You're giving me a heart attack. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Don't sneak out again. Did you understand me? Did you understand me? Don't run away. Don't you run away. Don't you give me that face. Look at me in my eye when I'm talking. Oh yeah, you're talking back. You're screaming at me. Yes, in your mind, you're screaming at me. You silly, you don't shush me. I'm talking. You don't run away from me. If you get hit by a car, you're dead. Did you understand me? Oh yes. Don't you play deaf to me. Oh yeah. Did you understand me? Huh? Don't you dare do that again. I'm gonna have a heart attack. And I'm dead. Yeah, you want your mommy dead? Do you want your mommy dead? Maybe. No? Don't run away. You try to play cute now.